Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Creative Corner. Today, we're making a beautiful bracelet using colorful natural stone beads. This is a simple craft that children and parents can enjoy together. Making jewelry is not only fun, but it's also a wonderful way to express creativity and create something special that you can wear every day. Let's get started. First, we choose our beads. There are so many beautiful colors to pick from. Some beads are dark blue. Some are light blue. Others are soft pink, white, and gray. Natural stone beads are all unique, which makes every bracelet one of a kind. Now it's time to arrange the beads. We carefully place each bead onto the elastic cord, one at a time. There is no right or wrong way to design a bracelet. You can follow a pattern or create your own. Some children like to repeat colors. Others enjoy making random colorful designs. Both are wonderful because creativity has no limits. As each bead is added, the bracelet slowly begins to take shape. This activity is relaxing and enjoyable. It helps children slow down, focus, and enjoy the creative process. Working with small beads also helps develop important skills. Picking up each bead improves fine motor skills. Threading the beads onto the elastic cord strengthens hand-eye coordination. Choosing colors encourages creativity and decision-making. Counting the beads can even help children practice early math skills. Craft time is also a great opportunity to talk together. Parents can ask simple questions like, which color should we use next? What is your favorite bead? How many beads have we added so far? These conversations make crafting even more enjoyable while supporting language development. Now our bracelet is getting longer. We continue adding beads carefully until it is the perfect size. It's exciting to watch the design grow with every new bead. Natural stone beads are especially beautiful because each one has its own unique pattern. No two beads look exactly the same. That means every bracelet becomes a truly unique handmade creation. Once all the beads are in place, it's time for an adult to help tie a secure knot. A strong knot helps keep all the beads safely together. After trimming the extra cord, the bracelet is finished. Look how beautiful it is. It's colorful, elegant, and made completely by hand. Handmade jewelry also makes a thoughtful gift. Children can create bracelets for their parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, or friends. A handmade gift is always special because it is made with care and love. Making crafts together is also a wonderful way to spend quality family time. Instead of looking at screens, families can sit together, create something beautiful, and enjoy meaningful conversations. Creative activities help children build confidence. Every finished project reminds them that they can create something amazing with their own hands. Today it was a bracelet. Tomorrow it could be a necklace, a keychain, or another colorful craft. Every new project is another opportunity to learn and have fun. The most important thing is not making everything perfect. The most important thing is enjoying the creative journey. Every bead tells part of the story. Every color makes the bracelet more beautiful. And every handmade creation is something to be proud of. Thank you for crafting with us today. We hope this bracelet inspires you to create your own unique jewelry at home. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and join us for more fun crafts, creative ideas, and educational activities for children and families. You can also visit millioncaps.com to discover educational toys, creative craft kits, and hands-on activities designed to inspire imagination and learning through play. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next creative adventure. Goodbye.